we're plotting points here. We're going to relate it to quadrants and how points are generated from data where we have x and y for instances of observing. Let's see. A, negative 2, 0, start at the origin. Go left 2, don't go up or down at all. Let me go with the colors for these guys. A is orange. There. On the negative x-axis. B, 0, 2. Don't go across at all, but do go upward to B. We'll delete this here. A, B, okay. C is looking to be red. C is 5, 3, so across positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there up 3 before we make our point, C. I'm counting my steps, so the first locating on the origin is not a step. You begin with the steps you take. You start your counting. In blue we have negative 1 and then 2 1/4. The ones with fractions and mixed numbers are annoying. Always will be, always have been as far as I can tell. But what you've got to do is locate them between two integers and try to approximate which one you're closer to. So with D, I want negative 1 across, which is straight once to the left, and then up 2, and then a little bit more for a quarter. So here's where I'm going to put my D. Yeah, I want to go purple. It's not wrong, nor was the orange. I just need different colors to show all the different ones that we have here. Negative 4, which is across, but negatively to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't make your point yet. Go down 1 and halfway to 2 and put in point E. F, I'm going back to black. 3, along with negative 4.75. 3 is positive. 1, 2, 3 to the right. And then downward 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3/4 of the way to 5. And you lay in the F. And those are, and we've got each quadrant represented, and we've got something on the x-axis, something on the y-axis. Which quadrant is negative 74, 38 in? So we would go negative for my x and positive for my y. That's left and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That represents quadrant 2. Locate each point and label it with its letter. Okay, I forgot to do this, so I'm going to put that up here right now. No major problem. We have, these are our options. One of them is negative 3, 2. Negative 3, negative 2, sorry. One is negative 2 with negative 3 over 2. One of them is 2.5 and 1. 2.5 followed by 1. 0 followed by 2.5. Negative 1 followed by 0. And negative 3, negative 1. And the way I have these labeled is a K here, J there, H here, going left to right, L up here, G as we start to drop, and I right there. Let's see what we've got now. You can either say, what's K, and go find it, but I think I'll go like this, negative 3, 2, and then I'll grab a letter from it. Negative 3 and 2, is that correct? Let me just see what I have there. Did I copy it right? Negative 3, negative 2. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Negative 3, negative 2. I don't have one there. Oh, that's not negative. That's why. Let's try again. Maybe that gave it away. 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 2. That's I. Negative 2 and negative 3 over 2. Negative 2 and down 1.5. That's J. 2.5, 2.5, and then 1. So I'm going to go from here over 2.5 and up 1. That's G. Nothing across and up and down 2.5. That's L. Negative 1 and no moving up and down. That's H. Negative 3 followed by a drop of 1. That's K. And we want to write the ordered pairs for these. What we have is first will appear our X and second will appear our Y. So these could be things we could graph later. 1 actually represents winter, as we're starting in January with winter. Go winter, spring, summer, fall. But anyway, let's see what happens with these. Maybe are the high temps for the day. What we've got is number, for 1 for x, we get 38. 2, 59. 3, 81. 4, 47. Those have made these bits of information into individual data points that we could put on XY plane for graphing. And that's enough to get you going. So that's all we have here. So I'll erase homework 12.